In this comprehensive review, I will dissect the Salesforce strength and weakness, the pricing, and the user's experience. So let's get started. What is Salesforce itself? Think of Salesforce as a superpower toolbox for business. It is Salesforce CRMs that help you track all your customers from the first time they visit your website to when they become a loyal fan. It's not just one tool though. Salesforce has a bunch of different CRM solutions to help you with different part of your business. Need to organize your sales team, and track your details. There is a sales cloud for that. Want to give your customers amazing support and keep them happy? Service Cloud is your friend. Salesforce is like a swift army knife for businesses. It has a something for everyone. So to get started with the top benefit of this platform, it has a 360-degree customer review, which help you give a complete picture of your customers, helping you understand their needs and preference better. It also gives you one of these benefits, which is help you improve the sales and your marketing with a enhanced customer service, with a streamlined operation, with a data-driven insight, and all of that like that. So talking about the best features of Salesforce, what makes Salesforce stand out from the crowd is, let's dive into some of the most powerful, unique features that could transform the way you do business. So the first thing is the sales. So talking about the outreach also, with the commerce cloud and track customer support with other informations like email template and all of that. So talking about the pricing list, they have different type of pricing list for their service. They have the starter suits with a pro suit and a enterprise with unlimited. So if you want more information about the pricing list of this platform, you can just simply go to their website to get more information about their pricing list to know which one fits into your capacity. So talking about the pros and cons, understanding the strength and weakness of any product is crucial before making an investment. Let's weigh the good and not the so good for Salesforce. So talking about the good side of the Salesforce, which is the feature rich, high customizable, scales with growth, and extensive integration with customer support community. So talking about the downside, which is the steep learning curve and the pricing for some, depends on your individual preference and the time consuming setup. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website called Salesforce. Thank you.